A photo is going viral for showing what looks like a dog in distress. But don't worry, he's having fun. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz60, and this pooch is actually one of Vancouver's finest. This is Nico, and this photo was snapped while he was learning to rappel with Constable Dan Ames of the Vancouver Police Department's Canine Unit. The 5.5-year-old German Shepherd has mastered the art of hanging on for dear life, while Ames got them both down from the 5th story of a building. This was Nico's first time hanging on as Ames came down from that height, and VPD says he's since become a pro. The photo is going viral on social media among animal lovers and anyone who's impressed that Nico is so calm, cool, and collected, considering there's a looming threat of danger. But really, there's nothing to see here, folks. It's all in a day's work for a canine officer, fighting crime and saving lives. And hopefully getting treats and belly rubs after. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.